Okay, it is about that time during our quarantine where if you have roots or grays like I do, they are relentless. Ah, do you see this frosting? Oh my gosh, I can't handle it anymore. I'm doing what a lot of you are doing, coloring my own hair for the very first time at home. I am very, very lucky and very blessed because my colorist, Izabela at Salon AKS in New York City, is a master colorist. She's incredibly talented, sweet, kind. Nobody colors my hair except for Izabela. She was kind enough to send me an at-home color kit with all of my colors. She also sent me gloves and she sent me this brush doodad, which I think we absolutely need. But my favorite part of her kit was this note. It says, Lilliana, mix the color with the solution. Apply to your roots only for 35 minutes. Don't do anything without me. Are y'all ready to color your hair at home? I don't know if I should be praying or if I should be like celebrating because I'm not gonna have gray in about 35 minutes.
This is so good.
Isn't this so good? Izabela has told me that I don't need to color my whole hair. All I'm gonna do is all of the top and then all of the gray that's like right around my hairline because that is out of control. Nobody needs to see that.
Okay, so take first the one that you have it labeled hairline.
This one?
And then take the tube of the color that says hairline.
Okay, I have the tube that says hairline.
Okay, so squeeze out up to 1/4.
Wait, what? Shake it?
Yeah.
And then you said do one big squeeze?
Yeah. Come on, go! Stir up with that brush. Make sure it's smooth, like it has to be smooth, no lumps.
And then, Izabela, can people make mistakes coloring their hair at home?
Of course. I mean, that's the most important thing, to mix it very well.
It's like
If you don't
baking.
Yeah, it's like baking. If you don't mix it well, then it's not gonna come out the right way.
Now that it's smooth, you want it the consistency of like a little bit thicker than sour cream. That's what it looks like. Okay, so for the hairline.
The area that you need the color the most, you start. But try not to paint it.
Don't
try
paint.
To just like dab it on, because you have small roots, like that.
Okay. I need a drink! Oh, there it is. So really only put it where I have gray.
Yeah.
Like right there. No, I'm scared! Okay, so permanent just around the hairline for me, and then semi-permanent in the rest of my hair. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did before. This is the consistency.
Perfect. So you're taking a little product on the tip of your brush.
Okay.
Make sure that you don't have too much all over the brush.
Okay.
And you kind of like dab it in just to your roots.
When you're brushing it on, sometimes you just have these little stray, scraggly grays. So instead of holding your brush like this, turn it perpendicular to your head and brush it like that. So you're really just getting the color on those individual grays. Uh-oh, we have a visitor. Come in. Hi!
Hi.
You're in the video. Say hi.
What's up? Do you need my help on anything?
Do you want to help me?
Well, no. You asked me when I was upstairs. You don't need me.
No.
Okay. All right.
Okay. There's more important things than food right now.
You want it to be nice and neat.
Okay, I get it. Okay, hold on. Ah!
The more you go, the more you're gonna find.
Oh my God, what is happening? And why am I putting conditioner in my dry hair?
So when you're rinsing the color from the roots, which is dark,
Yeah.
it's not gonna run through your hair first. The conditioner is gonna protect it from getting darker.
All right, color is on, conditioner is in. My timer is set for 29 minutes. I can't wait to show you guys my at-home color courtesy of this color genius right here, Izabela from Salon AKS. I'm gonna go rinse, and I'll be back with a whole lot less gray. So far, so good. Are you ready? I don't know if you're ready. Are you ready to see me with no gray? You guys, this turned out so much better than I could have ever dreamed of. Literally, there is not a gray on my head. All of the hairline grays that I had before have magically disappeared. It's like I never had any grays to begin with. I feel like myself again. And my hair looks as young as I feel.